Hey guys, do you guys want to know my exact strategy that has made me over $50,441.85 without even using Clickbank? I'm going to show you exactly step by step in this video. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. I used to work a corporate job that I absolutely hated. I started my business in May of 2019, and within 9 months of starting this side hustle, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job. Now guys, if you want to learn exactly how you can achieve financial and time freedom and leave that 9-to-5 job, then please subscribe to my channel guys, because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Go to the videos on my YouTube channel and you can see we have video after video after video helping you guys leave that 9-to-5 job. So please subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. Now guys, if you've ever been online, people have probably told you need to start a drop shipping store, you need to do Amazon FBA, you need to get into cryptocurrency. There's all these business models, but this business model right here is the simplest one to get started because you don't need to create a product. You can literally promote other people's products for a commission. Okay, I'm going to show you proof of that. Now this is one product that I promote that I've done over $50,000, $441.85 with. Okay, not only that guys, they pay me out every single 2 weeks. You can see here, these are my paychecks every 2 weeks. Okay, and that obviously will go up because of what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, now another program that I recently promoted here, as you can see, we did over $16,000. I actually moved my screen over here. You can see we did $16,410, and this was just a few days, right? You can see about a few weeks actually I was able to promote this one product. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. I just want to show you that I do this with multiple products. Okay, I actually have over 30 plus products that I'm currently promoting. All right, now here's another one right here. Recently they paid me out almost $1,000 with this simple product. Okay, and I'm going to show you even more products that I promote, but more importantly how you can start doing this without using Clickbank. All right, okay guys, so I want to explain how affiliate marketing works. This is the most simplest terms, and I'm going to show you how you can get started as well. Okay, now essentially what we're doing is we're sending customers from any platform. This could be a paid ad or it could be social media that you create. Okay, we'll talk about that later, but all we're doing is we're sending them to a product link. Okay, now this link is tied back to you, and then when people buy this product, you get a commission. All right, now why is this the best business model for a beginner? Well, because you don't have to go and create this product, right? You can go and find a product that is already proven that people already want, and you essentially just get a commission for that product. And as an example, right, you can become an affiliate for Amazon.com. If I scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see here that you can literally become an affiliate for Amazon. Okay, now what that means is now you can go and promote any of these products, right? You can go and promote this iPhone case, these grills, and you know, if someone buys this grill, right, you send somebody to this grill, right, and they buy this grill, well then you get a portion of the commission. Okay, and this is how affiliate marketing works. This is how I'm making my commissions daily. All right, now the way I teach it is I'm able to create this passive income business machine that pays me daily passive commissions. All right, but this is essentially what I do. Now I'm going to show you a better version of affiliate marketing that is going to allow you to make a lot more money. Now guys, I want to show you something a lot more powerful than this business model, okay? Because this is what about 95% of people or affiliate marketers are doing right now. The new method that you need to be looking at is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, which is what I teach my students. And we've had over 15,000 students start this online business, many of which have gotten their first lead, sale, high ticket commission, and even left their 9-to-5 jobs, okay? Because this is the most powerful method to do affiliate marketing. The reason being is because we have this main offer that we're promoting, but because of this main offer, there's other problems that arise, okay? That being said, we have these supporting offers that help the customer get the result that they want, right? So for an example, the main offer here, and we're just gonna take a super simple example. Let's just say this main offer is this grill, okay? Now, if this is the main offer, the supporting offer can be a spatula, you know, anything to cook with, right? Or seasonings, anything that is going to help this main offer. That's typically what the affiliate stacking ecosystem is, right? So not only are we making more money as the affiliate, but we're helping the customer get what they need. And this is the exact same thing that I teach my students, right? We have this main core offer, typically a higher ticket product, but then we have these supporting offers that help get that customer the main result that they want, right? So my main result, you know, that I help my students with is quitting their 9-to-5 job. But because they have that main result, they need other offers, other things to help them get to where they want to be. Okay, that's why this is so powerful. Now, not only do you make more money with other supporting offers with the affiliate stacking ecosystem, you're also able to make money with monthly reoccurring commissions, okay, which is also a very vital thing when you want to create a passive income business. So for example, this product right here, ClickFunnels, people pay every single month to have this product. Now, because they have this product and they're paying every single month, that allows me to essentially make money every single month without literally doing anything, okay? This is, I think, my favorite part of this business is you set up this affiliate stacking ecosystem and then you have monthly reoccurring commissions. Now guys, how would you like to copy this exact same system and use it for your businesses, right? And you can literally copy the exact same offers that I'm promoting, and you can copy this exact same email sequence so you guys can go ahead and collect emails. Essentially the same thing that I'm doing here. Now, I'm gonna invite you to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge where I'm gonna show you exactly not only how to set up this system for yourself, but how you can copy and paste this exact same thing and copy my offers for your business, okay? Now, the reason I do this is because I want you guys to get started quickly by copy and pasting my exact same ecosystem, but I also want you guys to learn this for yourself so you can build it out in another niche if you wanted to, right? So you can do this exact same ecosystem in, let's just say, Amazon affiliate marketing, or if you want to do the keto niche or anything. It really doesn't matter. I teach you the skills to be able to build this out yourself. Now I'm gonna leave a link down below to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge where I show you guys how to set this up with one button, one click, and you can literally copy this whole thing, okay guys? But of course, I'm also gonna show you the skills as well so you can do this for yourself and teach others. Now guys, this business has totally changed my life. It's allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job and go all in with my business. And I haven't been doing this very long. I started in May of 2019 and then I quit my job in March of 2020. I believe that anyone can get started in this business because it's so simple. All we're doing is promoting other people's products. We don't have to go and create this product and worry about the customer service, worry about the refunds, worry about the fulfillment of the product. All we're doing is getting people to this ecosystem, and the ecosystem is doing everything for you, and you're making that passive income. And this is what was able to change my life. I was able to do this while I was still working my job. Now guys, I hope this video was of value to you, and I hope it opened your eyes to see the power of this business model, because again guys, this has totally changed my life, and I want to help you guys get out of that 9-to-5 rut. If you're not happy where you are, I believe that this system and that this business model can change your life. Of course, you have to put in the work and you have to follow the frameworks that I'm teaching you. Now again guys, I want to invite you to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge where I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to build this business from scratch. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you inside my community. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.